Hello, kids. A very happy morning. Happy to see you all safe with your family. Stay safe and stay healthy. And this is your science class. And we are in our second lesson, forces and motion. And in this class, we are going to discuss about the types of motion. So, motion is categorized based on three things. The first one is based on path, the second one is on duration, and the third one is speed. So these are the three categories in which we split the motion. So the first one is based on the path, second one is based on the duration, and the third one is based on the speed. So under path there are 6 different types of motions. So I will name them out. The first one is linear motion, second curvilinear motion, third is circular motion, fourth rotatory motion, fifth oscillatory motion, and sixth is zigzag motion or irregular motion. So a linear motion is moving in a straight line. For example, a person walking on a straight road or a ball falling down from a particular height. So these both things we can observe the linear motion. The second one is curvilinear motion, moving ahead but changing direction, like throwing ball. So when we throw a ball, the person opposite to us catches the ball and again he throws it back. So there is a change in direction, which means it is a curvilinear motion. The third one is the circular motion, moving in a circle. So maybe drawing a circle in the floor and rotating over the line is the circular motion. The fourth one is the rotatory motion, the movement of a body about its own axis, like a rotating top. So we can give our ceiling fan is also example for a rotatory motion. The fifth one is the oscillatory motion, coming back to the same position after a fixed time interval, like a pendulum. So this is the pendulum and it just moves to and fro where it comes back to the same position after a fixed interval of time. The sixth one is the zigzag motion, which is also called it as irregular motion, and example is the motion of a honeybee. So if you see a honeybee, how does it moves? It just moves in a random way, so it is an irregular motion or zigzag motion. Or we can give an example like people walking in a crowded street. So when a street is much crowded with a lot of people, so each of them moves in their own path, which is an irregular motion. So we are done with the motion based on the path. So there are 6 motions depending upon the path. When it travels in a straight line, it is a linear motion, and when it takes a curve after every straight line, it is a curvilinear motion. When it rotates about its axis, it is rotatory motion. When it rotates over a circle, it is circular motion. Then comes my oscillatory motion, the to and fro motion. From a fixed point, it moves to a point and comes back again to that fixed point. It is oscillatory motion. And finally, the zigzag motion is a random or an irregular motion. So watch this video 2 to 3 times and try to complete this activity. Try to name each of these motion. Thank you.